There are a lot of dash cams on the market. There are a lot of dash cams on Amazon. I wanted to show you why this one in particular is one of my favorites that I've seen and a fantastic choice at this price point. It's a really solid construction. It doesn't feel like a toy. It doesn't feel flimsy. And it's got all the standard features. You know, it's got this thing right here where you peel it off, stick it to your dashboard. My favorite feature is it's got these two cameras on the side, in addition to the main camera in the front, which of course you need. These go on a 180-degree axis to capture. You can either capture 3 forward-facing cameras, or you can turn them both backward to capture what's inside the car, which we know that's also really important in terms of liability if you're a rideshare driver or something like that. Or you can have them going off to the side, or you can do, you know, one of each. So for me, that's easily my favorite feature of this. It just makes it so customizable, and it can function in any way that you need it to. It's a 4-channel camera. It comes with a 4th camera that you can mount either on your back windshield or on your back bumper, depending on how you like to do it. And with a very long USB-C cable that just simply plugs right into the back of here. Once you plug it in, it turns on, it shows up on a 4-panel view right here on this LCD screen, which you can see all the time. It's extremely high quality. It looks fantastic. It's got a very high refresh rate. This also comes with a very high capacity storage card, 128 gigabytes, I believe. More than enough to record every moment you're driving. It also has an app that you can download for your phone. It syncs up with the app to capture and save and share those videos, as well as simply pulling them off of the storage card if you need it. It's got a very long charging cable here for your cigarette lighter. And again, one of my favorite features is there's also a USB charger on the outside of this, so you're not losing a charging port when you're using your dash cam. Just the little things like that I really appreciate. So I did set this up in my car to take a look at it and look at all the features before I brought it back in here to review for you. And I can tell you that I absolutely love it. I can't wait to install it permanently in my car. I want to especially thank the brand for sending this to us in exchange for our honest review. I really think you've got a great product here. I appreciate it, and I highly recommend it.